Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to my first ever screen recording. So let me just share to you how to Screencastify. Right now I'm actually using Screencastomatic. So I want you to see how will I install or Castify as well as how to start recording. So using it so you can see how Screencastify. Okay, so first step, we're going to go to search box and search Screencastify. And yeah, of course, let's do that. Okay, so okay, let's type in Screencastify. And second step would click on the number 1 on the list of our results, Screencastify Screen Recorder. And then you can see add to Chrome, click on that, and then add extension. I hope you are following right now. Just actually add extension. Checking on recording. Okay. Fine, there it goes. As you can see here, there's a notification Screencastify Screen Recorder has been added to Chrome. So where do you find these extensions? And actually seen here on the upper right corner of screen. You can look for the extension icon. This one right here. You can see in my cursor. It's actually icon for the extension. And you click on that. There you go. So you can see now the Screencastify, and for you to not always click on extension icon, let's go to Screencastify. You can actually pin extension. So click on this, and you can see, there you go, symbol, the icon Screencastify has been added at the top, so then you can click on it directly. Okay, so how do we start using, how do Screencastify? Oh, so let's click on the arrow, and when you click on the arrow, it wants you to sign in with Google account. It's very important. After your recording, your video will be automatically saved Google Drive. So it's very important to sign in Google account. And so step 1, sign in with a Google account, and step 2, yes, set up permission, click on camera and microphone, drawing and annotation tool, and click on next, and allow. Hooray! And you're ready to start recording with Screencastify. And the very important, Screencastify is actually providing us with overview video. So if you're a beginner and you like, I actually took time to see this overview video. And then next is how to make your first recording. I defined already. I hope too. It's really very helpful for our classes. And of course, the third one is an in-depth collection of tutorials and videos that will make you a professional Screencastifier in my best day. Anyways, what would be next? Okay, so next, after you can click on this, you have spare time, but I'm gonna talk about that right now. But what I'm gonna do is start, let you see how to start recording. So I click and to the icon, Screencastify icon, and can see here options as to what you want to record, or it could be the browser tab, desktop, or webcam only. Okay, with webcam only. So it shows webcam, yeah, and so, and the desktop can have word screen desktop, and of course your microphone should be set. So as you can see here, since I am talking, actually also detecting my voice, and you can click on this embed webcam. So let's see if it's gonna record as well, since I'm also recording. So let's go record. Yep, so the video is working, and as you can see, and then you can click on this icon here, so your entire screen can be recorded as well. And then share, click share. It's giving you a countdown of 3 seconds for you to start recording. And then the good thing about Screencastify, actually are provided with different tools here. So once you are, for example, discussing to your students, you can just use your mouse pointer, or yeah, there's a pen. You can actually, yep, sorry, too bad for my drawing. You can actually use that, and then there's an eraser, because of course my drawing is not, so let's erase that. So there's actually a lot of things you can Screencastify when you're discussing to your students, or when you're preparing your video for them. And then yeah, wipe screen clear tool, there is that icon too. And then yes, if you are not yet using your webcam, you can click on this, but as of now I'm actually using a web camera. And then you can actually pause the recording, actually very easy, right? And then can then share your screen, whatever you want to discuss with your students. It's like right now I'm discussing Screencastify, using slide, so on and so forth. Yep. And then now you can present now whatever you want, a video or a PowerPoint presentation from the Google slide, or you want for your student Google Classroom. You can actually do that. Now what I want you to know, since you can explore this by your own time, actually after recording, you did everything already. How do we end recording? Actually, it's very easy. You're just going to go back where you came from. Just go back again to the icon, Screencastify, and as you can see, there's a red dot here. That means to say, can I use focus mouse? Yep, there you go. Very nice. So as you can see here, I am actually highlighting. See the red dot, that means it's actually recording as well. So you can click that, and then you can click on this one for you to stop recording. That's actually very easy, right? So let's click on that. Let's see if recording will stop. So there you go, ladies and gents. Our video is now very much ready. So you can actually see your video. It's actually saved automatically to your Google Drive, and then you can copy the link also, so you can share it to students in whatever means you want, and then you can directly share it to your Google Classroom actually. And then you just need to choose of course which ad are you using for your Google Classroom. And then nice, because you can just choose a class. So like click on the first one. So I have here the first on the list. Let's say for example 7. I'm going to click this and share this to my class, so it's going to be automatically added to my Google Classroom. particular. Okay, and then if you want to edit your video or trim, or you think that the video has a lot of unnecessary parts, pauses, so you can actually edit your video. But the thing with this one, if you are using the free recording for the trial, there are actually limited features on it, but this one is actually very good because you can edit the parts of the video you don't want, and then you can, after editing, and export that either as an MP4 or Google Drive. That's it, ready to go. You can then have that set up in your classroom or upload it to the channel, just like I'm planning to upload my recording to YouTube channel so students can access it, but just make sure you have your channel. So maybe next time we'll have a short tutorial about how to create a YouTube channel as well. Okay, so that's it. Enjoyed our short tutorial that is very in time. So thanks and have a day.